Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn a mini dollar store Christmas tree into a 4-foot tree using only 6 dollar store trees. Start by removing all of your trees from the box. You will need to remove the plastic at the bottoms. Then all you need to do is pull the string and unravel the metal pipe. This will allow the branches to come off easier without cutting them. After you remove all the branches, you will want to separate them by size. You're also going to need 4 wooden dowels. You can purchase these at your local hardware store for 99 cents, or you can also use the toilet plungers at the dollar store. Grab your 2 dowels and put a tack in the middle, then glue a strip of cardstock all the way around. Here I'm just showing you how to place the tack. Poke a hole first in one and then use your wire cutters and snip off the plastic on the head of the nail. Then once the nail is exposed, you can snip off the top flat part of the head of the nail. Now go ahead and grab your other dowel and push them together. You can use your hammer if you need to. Grab your Dollar Tree foam balls, cut them in half, and then use the metal bar that the mini trees come with to make a hole in them. Then you can push the dowel inside. Grab 8 of your largest branches, stick them in the foam like this. Then repeat with all of the rest to the largest size and then repeat the next size up, and so forth. Set your extra branches aside, you will use these later. Let's start assembling the tree. Start with the largest size and place it at the bottom. Then repeat the biggest to the smallest all the way to the top. Now go ahead and flip your tree back up and slide it down where there is only about 6 inches just for the trunk. This should leave you just enough room for the top part. Now that you don't have any more room, you're going to add another dowel. Do it the same way that you did the first time, adding your cardboard and then hot gluing it directly on to attach them. The top part, you're going to glue 3 wheels of branches together. Do not put a hole in the center of the last styrofoam. You can use those extra small branches all around, going upward, the larger one in the center to place your star, just like this. Now you can go ahead and grab that top piece, hot glue it onto the very tip, and then you can slide your tree up. I went ahead and moved 2 discs out because I wanted it to be exactly 4 feet tall. For the base, you will use some scrap foam from packaging. I cut it down to size, making sure that it fits snug. Then I made a hole going straight through all the way down so I can place the Christmas tree inside. Dollar Tree sells these medium-sized glasses and they work perfect for these trees. Now you can use those extra branches and place them in the tree. I used them towards the bottom and made kind of an angling going down, just like you see real trees have the smaller branches at the bottom. Now we can go ahead and start with the Christmas tree lights. Dollar Tree sells battery-operated mini lights. Sadly, they were all sold out, so I used these $3 ones that I got from my local craft store. Place the battery pack in the bottom in the foam, and then you're going to slowly turn it and slide the lights in between the branches. You're going to want it to go pretty close to the base. Since this tree has a lot of branches, it'll look pretty bulky and thick, which I really like. For the Christmas ornament bows, you're going to cut 15 6-inch strips. Grab one. First, you're going to loop it around and then glue it. Hold it down for about 15 seconds. Grab the center and then push it together with your fingers. Grab a smaller piece, then fold over the sides and glue them together. Then place it right over the center of the bow. Then you're going to go ahead and fold it one time and cut off the extra. And then you have a cute little bow. Continue this for the rest of them. This part I sped up a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and make the rest of these little loops. For the larger bow, you're going to grab a loop that's 10 inches and place one of the smaller loops on the top. Pinch them together. You're going to put that fold right over the center again, glue it down, flip it over, and trim it off. Here's a larger one that I did, just to show you guys a reference. Now you can go ahead and finish off your smaller bows. You're going to do it the first way I showed you in the very beginning of the video. Make sure that the flesh side that doesn't have any lines or anything is in the front part. I'm going to speed this part up and finish the rest of the bows again. Dollar Store sells many different ribbons, so you can play around with some of the things that you like, putting embellishments on them. I'll show you here how I did a couple of those. The next tree style, you're going to do the same thing, make loops, make about 15 to 20 of them. Then you're going to fold over a small piece of bling wrap and place it right in the center. Make sure you glue it down and let it dry. And then that's it. And this is how it looks. Has a lot of glam and bling. I really love these. Here I'm just going to show you how you can bling these up just a little bit more. You can place a smaller bow over the larger bows in different colors, and you can kind of play around with it. Dollar Store sells so many different types of ribbons. Dollar Tree sells these hooks that are made for ornaments, and you can use these to place in the back of the bow. Slide it through the hoop, and then bend it down, fold it over, and fold over the top part to make a loop. When you're done, the loop will look like this. You can still open and close it to place it on the tree. I purchased these plastic snowflakes from my local craft store for $2.99. They come in a variety of sizes. Dollar Tree sells these sticker rhinestones. I use one right in the center of the snowflake. I also use those sticker rhinestones to cover this bow. Now you can go ahead and place your hooks in the back of these ones. Time for the fun part. Let's decorate. Here are 2 designs that I did. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!